Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading out. It's a nice rain day, everything's wet, so we can't really do much dirt work, so we've opted to we're going to be cleaning up a garage that burned down and removing that structure today while it's too wet for us to do dirt work. Heading out, got a couple dumpsters on, a couple excavators coming in, knock this thing down, clean it up, and haul it all out of there. So let's get after it. All right, here we are on the site now. It's about 9 o'clock. This is what we're tearing down. It's a 20 by 30. It's like 1.5 stories, or a 3-car garage with a loft upstairs, which is now falling down. But we're gonna be tearing this down, loading it out. First thing we're starting with the chimney stain, because they're gonna rebuild a little pool house here. But we have to separate the existing wood structure from the chimney, so that when we bring the big equipment in to kind of collapse everything, the chimney stays standing. It's kind of separated. So that's what we got right now. It's a pretty beefy chimney. I mean, it's got to be 7 foot wide, and it's all masonry, heavy rocks. So this is all, it's not even attached. Like, the wood structure isn't even attached to the chimney. It's just kind of butted up to it nicely and tied it in a few spots. But yeah, we're getting it.
In the throes of these 4 rooms, brightened iron and withered fumes, far below these sinful means, gold has flown through loosened strings. Brightened iron and withered fumes, far below my sinful means, gold has flown through loosened streams.
All right, so here we are now. It's down on the ground. You saw us just pull down the first half of it. The structure's kind of weak because it's fire damaged, but the second half was kind of not as terribly damaged, so a little bit more of a pickle to pull down. But for the most part, everything went right inside like we wanted. Got the C85 machine here. I'm gonna be ripping up the big lumber and stacking it in our dumpster and running dumpster after dumpster is the plan right now, so let's keep her moving.
Seems start to shake, trouble to be made. Sooner or later he'll pick up the phone. The man who helps him fix, the man who calms him down. His number is the only.
Get it done. First day in the books, got it all down. That pile that's left there is just the content. What is that?
Charger.
You got a battery?
Battery.
Holy Where was that?
There.
Wow. Treasures. This all left here is the contents, which we're going to haul out of here tomorrow after some inspector comes and looks at it. Looks like some real nice contents. Whatever. That's what they want. Got this E85 here. Nice size. A little bit big for us, but for this job it's perfectly fine, nice and high. And got the extra reach. You can get out there and really grab stuff real nicely. Chimney was a success. No damage to that at all. It's still standing. That's a pretty beefy looking chimney for what it was. So they can power wash that, clean that up, I guess, and attach back to it again. But big junk pile. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have this all cleaned up and be done.
Taillights are all working, just not your brake lights on the right side. Boy, that's not good.
Coming in with a load of wood, is there any special spot you want to dump?
Yeah, it's got wood. Over there by the white pickup truck, there's a pile of wood over there. Dump it in there.
That one. Where's the fucking out? Where's the out? Crazy up in here. They got a bunch of foam on here. Oh my god. Hopefully I can make it. So soft. It's incredible. Feel the axle dragging. Oh my god. Look at this, my truck's up to the frickin' halfway up the wheels. It's as far back as I can go before I get stuck. Oh, seagulls up here. Isn't it crazy? So like the rats of the bird world. Seagulls. Made it out. That's good. Oh, maybe second gear wasn't a good idea, huh? All right. Well, I think we got it emptied enough. Look at it. It's crazy up here. They just got so much garbage. This is the glorious landfill. They put a bunch of foam pad and mulch down.
I've seen all sorts of important people over at that greenhouse a couple days ago. They got to fire that place back up.
Bunch of foam and mulch holding the truck. All right, let's see what we can do here. Now it's a big game of follow somebody else out here because I don't know where the flip I'm going. Oh, look at this guy. He seems like he knows where he's going. Let me follow him. While my axle drags across the ground. Look at this. You see my truck bouncing? I'm going sideways on the tire tracks. Oh my God. Look at it up here, huh? Pretty nice. Pretty nice. There's a freaking pillow. Oh my gosh. Nuts. Look at the freaking seagulls. I feel like one of them's gonna fly in the cab. Time for the truck wash. Not really much of a wash, just nasty. It's the same nasty water, just recycled over and over and over again. Truck comes out dirtier than what it came in. Whatever. Policy. I came in weighing 21,000 pounds. Let's see what I scale out at. 16,000. This is a shit that really gets me. Flip it. Got a goddamn pillow. What the flip? Oh God, it's so nasty. How the fuck am I supposed to do with this thing? Alright. It's got a string in it or something. God damn it. I mean, I'm up in the truck. Fuck. Fucking pillow. I mean, you just saw how far I drove. Remember I called out that pillow when I was driving it down? I drove up the hill, down the hill, across the hill, through the truck wash, through the scales, and then, finally, some other driver said, hey, underneath your truck, you're dragging so freaking pillow.
holds him up and gives a place. And 10 minutes later he'll be gone for a while. And he walks like Chaplin, and he talks like Bond. Yeah, he walks like Chaplin, and he talks like Bond. No, 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 no.
Alright, so here we are on Friday morning now. Just doing some cleanup work. Getting all this pool deck cleaned off. Getting the last little bit of everything packaged up. Loaded up so we can get out of here for the day. Got this all raked up already. But yeah, we saved the foundation, which is good. Hopefully you can rebuild on this or from there. Just wrapping up here, like I said, cleaning. Well, that's pretty much going to wrap up this job. The concrete pad's staying for now. We just got to cut the studs on top of the concrete. That one's tripping? Yeah, he said there's another one up here underneath the window. But like I said, we got to cut. This is concrete anchors, or the metal anchors into the concrete. Driveway's all cleaned up now. Ran the magnet through it. Got the yard fixed up. Pretty good shape, huh? Whole lot of debris. Another trip to landfill here soon. So, been a successful 2 days getting this done. In good shape.